Hi, this is Ben, and I know you came to YouTube looking for interesting information about your long-term disability claim, and I apologize on behalf of all the other lawyers who are posting up boring videos. Today, I want to talk to you about the value of hiring an experienced attorney before you even file your claim. Look, I know you talk to HR, I know you talk to your friends, I know you talk to your doctor, you may have already talked to the insurance company, and what do they all tell you? They tell you you don't need a lawyer, and technically they're right, you don't need a lawyer. However, this is probably the first time you have ever looked at your long-term disability policy, whether it's from your employer or one you bought on your own. An experienced lawyer obviously will have looked at hundreds, maybe even thousands of policies, and it's going to be able to help you avoid stepping in it when you make your claim. Because here's the problem. When you make a claim and you write down certain things on the form, like when you actually became disabled, like what does that even mean? When did you last work? What happens if you're still making some money and getting some income? Once you start to write answers, I guarantee you that those answers that are favorable to the insurance company are going to show up in a denial letter, and they're going to show up in litigation later. Now, we always want to tell the truth when we're making a claim, for sure, but there are 100 different ways to shape a claim, and the best way to shape a claim is before the initial paperwork is filed. So an experienced long-term disability insurance attorney is going to be able to talk to you, find out what your story is, find out your background, look at your medical records, tell you whether those medical records will likely meet the insurance company's definition of disability, and if not, that attorney will give you direction as to how you can have conversations with your doctors, when you should make a claim, because you don't want to make a claim. For example, if you've got a pre-existing condition, you don't want to make a claim too early, but if you wait later, you can make a valid claim even if you have a pre-existing condition. These are all things that we work on every single day. We want you to be successful. Of course, you pay for a pre-claim consultation, but in 100% of the time, our clients have told us that the money they pay to us has been invaluable. Sometimes they don't make a claim, they continue working, and that's their best course of action. Other times they delay making a claim, and therefore they avoid pre-existing condition limitations. And oftentimes, what needs to happen is that over the next 4 or 6 or 8 months, the medical records need to be shaped up and firmed up so that when you start, you have a great record for getting your claim approved, and you don't have to come back and pay me to help you reverse a claim denial. So there's a couple of big reasons why consulting with an experienced attorney is invaluable. We do these consults all over the country. We talk to a lot of CEOs, lawyers, doctors, entrepreneurs, and nurses all over the country, and we help them shape claims for their long-term disability claim. We help them to do it honestly and fairly, put them in the very best position to win. And that's where you want to be. You want to be in a winning position. All right, we'll talk later.